Here we have a weighted vest. This one's 40 pounds. The thing I like about this one is that you can actually remove the weights. So right in here, you can see these little beanbag kind of weights. They're easily pulled out. So you can buy it at 40 pounds, but if you wanted to have maybe a 20-pound weight vest, you could do that. So maybe if you wanted to run, I think 40 pounds might be too much to run. What I use this for is when I'm doing some kind of legs, you know, I'll add the 40 pounds onto my body, then I can, you know, use a dumbbell or whatever just to add more weight. Or while I'm working out, if I want to have it on that certain day, you just add that extra 40 pounds. It adds up after a while. The weights you could see are adjustable, even on the back. It's got clipped holders here. So if you did want to run in this, I'm not sure you'd run in 40 pounds, like I'd say. I think that's a little too much for your joints. But it has a kind of like an elastic feel. You can see right here, it's got some weight in it here. And it's very easily pulled on and pulled off. It does have reflective, so if you do want to run at night. But like I said, I really like the ability that if I do want to run with this, I can take these, you know, maybe take out one or two in the back or maybe one in the front or whatever, you know, whatever you want, and really kind of hone in the weight that you want. You also have these mesh kind of holders. These might be for like a water bottle or something, you know, whatever you want to put in there. But yeah, overall, it's a weight vest. It's a weighted vest. It does what it says it does, and it's heavy, 40 pounds. So pretty cool. There you go.